Hi everyone, so I want to show you how to use the Padlet as you go through and provide your group's progress and then go back and look at your classmates' progress as well in other groups to get ideas. So this is the Padlet that you will be brought to when you click on the link in my Google Sites page. You'll be assigned a group number, and this is in the shelf format, so you'll add posts to your group's column, but then you can also go back and comment and like other groups' messages as well. So one person in your group is going to be assigned the role of the note taker in your group, and they'll be in charge of posting updates about your group's progress. But everyone in your group is going to be in charge of going back to this Padlet before the end of the period and looking at other groups' progresses and commenting and liking at least one post from each group, just to get you, see some ideas from other groups for your own project moving forward. So to add a post, you just click on the little add thing and you can add a text. I want you to provide a title to it, and then also some a brief description about what's going on in your group. And these will get added, so say like beginning of class, and you could say so far we have come up with group roles for everyone and are now collaborating on a Google Documents page to brainstorm ideas. And then that could be your post. And then you're going to add another one, and you could say the middle of class and so forth. I do want you to incorporate at least one image. So you could incorporate one here. You could do the photo booth, or you can incorporate one by uploading it from your computer. You can also draw a picture. You can record using your microphone on your Chromebook. You can take a video of you and your group members talking. You can also look up images on Google, or you can incorporate a link. So as you get down towards the end of your project, you can incorporate, if you want to, a link to a Google Sites page that you guys as a group might be collaborating with. You can also share your screen, which is what I'm doing now. You can record your screen and show other groups your Google Documents page, like I had in the beginning of class post. So lots of options for that. For at least one of your posts, I do want to incorporate an image, and I am going to go through this, and this will be part of your final grade for your project. And then I'll go back and make sure that you are commenting on other groups' posts as well. So to do that, I'm not sure if I can do it on mine, but there is a feature, and I'll go through it in class when we do this, on how to comment and like other group members' posts.